Alright, just got this in the mail and I'm ready to put it on my bike. And there she is. Alright, I accidentally took all the padding out. This was on the padding. You also have this. And I guess official ride card, which I'll blur that out. Technical information and the hook thing that I'm supposed to use. Alright, let's get started. So I already loosened that clamp and now I'm getting rid of this. So I didn't get the motion of it, but this heat shield, once you get those two things off, you slide it forward and it comes off. On to the next step. Getting this clamp off, use the 12. After loosening that up, we're gonna get this bolt so we can take off the exhaust. So I'm trying to record and hold, but I managed to get the exhaust off. And this thing is heavy. Holy cow. Now we're gonna put on the new one. Now we gotta get this out of the plastic and put this on there. Here we go. Managed to get it on, and now we gotta put the clamp on, and we're gonna put it on the bike. Now that it's on, put this up there and make sure this also goes on too. So this is how it's supposed to look like. I used the 13 on the back and I'm gonna tighten this up now. So we'll see how it goes. So I ended up tightening the clamp and I totally forgot to put this. It's gonna be a struggle. And there we go, it's on. I think for the most part, it's pretty much good to go. Just gotta clean it up. Be riding.